My name is Nita Farahany. I'm a professor of law and philosophy at Duke University and a member of the Athena team, focusing in particular on the ethical implications of artificial intelligence and emerging technologies. My three areas of focus for the grant are: one, to serve in a role of an ethics consultation across each of the different thrusts. And in that role, what I'll be doing is meeting with the PIs of each of the different thrusts, understanding the projects that are underway, offering as a resource me and my team to be able to help navigate any ethical issues that may arise. The second major area of my research focuses on the broader implications. So rather than just the ethics of the research itself, looking at what the broader implications of that research are for society. That involves a series of looking at ethical guidelines, emerging technologies, and understanding the applications and implications for society writ large. The third major thrust of my research and of my work for this project is developing educational modules on the ethical implications of the technology. And we've prepared a small video that can help guide you through and understand how it is that we're going about this. But part of that work will involve interviewing a number of the different technologists who are involved in the project to understand what they're working on, what their project is, and then trying to put it in the broader context. The hope is to develop at least 28 different educational modules that can be used in a variety of different settings for the team, for society at large, for students, to give them the basic knowledge and understanding of not just the technologies themselves, but also understanding the broader implications of the technologies. And so in the video that follows from here, you'll see how we're building each of these different ethic modules, what the process looks like, how we're engaging different experts to help deliver the content. And the hope is, with the hundreds of interviews that we will have conducted as part of the project, that it can also be used in other settings by, for example, students, by different levels, whether it is from an undergraduate level, from a high school level, for postgraduate level, to be able to use it in different settings to really help reach the broadest possible audience, to educate them about the broad implications of AI and emerging technologies.
AI researchers, who are best placed to understand their own training data and algorithms, have a duty to proactively monitor their own models. This is important because algorithmic bias based on underrepresented training data extends well beyond facial recognition to many other machine learning applications.
Hao Li also showed us a prototype technology he's developing that allows his assistant to become digitally someone else. The screen on the right is his own face and facial expressions. The screen on the left is his avatar. This technology can be uncanny.
Today we're going to explore several examples of algorithms and AI-driven decision-making. And we're going to talk to technologists and innovation experts about when and why they remain opaque. We'll talk about some instances where it might be necessary or even beneficial to keep the algorithms or how they work inside the black box. We'll talk to advocates of explainable and interpretable AI who believe that there's little technological reason for algorithmic decision-making to remain inside that black box.